everyone, welcome to another What's Next video here in North County, San Diego, California. My name is Ricky and this is a What's Next video. What's next is what's going on next. Whatever comes, comes. What's over is over. It's all done with and it's over. And in between is called living in the moment, and that's what I'm doing. So this is another video that I'm going to start with the root burl again today. This is one that won't take me that long to shape. This is a before, and it should look pretty nice. It will look really really beautiful actually, because it's a red oak, extremely dense and hard. And once I start working on this part, these burls that I'm showing here on the camera, hopefully you're seeing that like over on this side, I think. You will start seeing all of these swirls and different patterns, and all of this stuff here will then be, it's an amazing piece of very dense, hard wood. And as the camera should be able to see that, it just was burning the saw blade, just cutting this. So it does have a wonderful sound to it. It's rock solid, literally. And there is a part in this that I'm going to try a new tool on. I'll try to video that as I do it. There is some very rotten wood right in here and right in here and in the middle. And I don't want to use my small Dremel tool to go into that amount of wood. I've got a big grinding bit that I got from the same company that makes the small ones. And I'm going to see how that thing works by removing a lot of material in here that's rotten, so I can get down into where all of these beautiful shapes and these swirls and these shape shifters are going to come out. So it is going to be my next piece. I'm not going to do another little one right now. I'm going to do this big one. It's been sitting here staring at me, so I'm going to get that out of the way. And I have found probably 4 or 5 more root burls that we can go lark, and I'll do that video here coming soon. They're right here. There was a dozer in there about 4 years ago, and they've been uncovered by brush, and the guys have been back there. The crew has re-whacked the whole area, and now there's these really heavy, and some are this small. I don't know. We're gonna have to go back and get them up here soon, before any rains come in, because I don't really think they do any good in that little stream bed in there, because when the rain does come through there, it's going to wash us and just scour that, make it even bigger. So let's let the water get through there and not tumble those root burls any further on where they already have tumbled. So I'm going to rescue those, and they're seasoned. They'll be 4 years of season and drying, and so they should be absolutely beautiful. We will see, so stay tuned for that video. This is one of some of these air fern things. I'll give you the technical name in a minute, but these are going to be going on some of this work that I do here with these root burls. I think they'll look really kind of cool once these become in a terrarium. I got that suggestion. I think that's an aquarium or a terrarium. I'm not too sure which one, but a terrarium. I think that's what we were talking. They would look absolutely beautiful as an ornament, something like that. As long as they're highlighted, that you can see all the characters of the wood. It's just not a lump of wood sitting in there, because these are really interesting. Anyway, I'm rambling on. Let's get on with the video. Thanks for watching, and again, thank you for all the new subscribers. I really appreciate that. Sticking with me. We'll get through this thing. I don't think this is that big. Maybe it is a big deal, but I live out here and I'm not all that affected. But I think that just being what we are is the most important thing. And thanks again for watching. Bye. Hi everyone. I am about 2.5 miles and I'm almost finished. I live up there behind the banana trees. But on the finish line here, I happen to spy, where do I find root burl? So let's do a little root burl larking here. Let's see. There's one. There's a root burl right there. That is an old one. Look at the swirls on that one already. Look at that. Look at that. That will be one. Let's see, where else? Let's go back here. Look at this monster. Holy cow, there's two of them. One here. One there, and there's one there. And there's one there. Now, question is, shall I harvest them? I think so. The waters are going to push them down and scour this out even more. So let's give that water a little better stream than to push one of these big, sharp root burls down the stream bed. So let's see if this seems movable. Maybe I can get it out with my gate. Oh yeah, okay, we got this one. Let's see if it's movable. Oh yeah. Okay. There's another very, very old root burl. And so let's head home.